coping with certain problems that impact their daily life, then you know that traditional medications can not only fail to resolve the problem, but can make the condition worse. Here to tell us about their unique approach is Dr. William Lambos, Chief Cognitive Neuro Scientist for CNS Wellness. Hi, Doctor.
It is, in fact, a unique approach. The conditions that you refer to impact two broad areas that impact daily life, as you mentioned. One of them are what we call the affective disorders, and those are things that impact mood and feeling, emotions. For example, anxiety, depression, emotional stability, and other things of that nature. The second area in which we do much of our work are what we call the developmental problems. And these include the learning issues, the learning disabilities, the things like attention deficit disorder, autism and Asperger's, and other conditions that impact children's ability to socialize, to use language, to do well in school. Now, you may wonder, what do these conditions have in common? And the answer is that in both sets of cases, there is a brain basis of dysregulation that underlies or is the cause of these conditions. What CNS does that's different is rather than use medications to treat the symptoms, we measure the dysregulation in the brain that causes the condition, and then we use our cutting-edge methods and techniques to change that condition, to gently re-regulate the brain, and not only do the symptoms go away, but the underlying problem is taken care of. This is what's so unique about what we do.
So I understand your practice is aimed at helping people overcome particular issues that impact mental health and day-to-day functioning, such as what?
Well, as I mentioned, there are the emotional disorders, in particular anxiety, depression, mood instability, feeling happy at one period of time and then down another. And on the other hand, the developmental or growth-related problems. And those impact various areas of cognitive functioning or intellectual intelligence, such as attention deficit disorder and learning disabilities, and things that impact language and social interaction, such as autism and Asperger's disorder. There are many other conditions that we treat as well, and you can look those up on the website, talk to us about them in person, many others as well. But those are the two broad areas in which we help people overcome their difficulties by treating the underlying dysregulation of the brain with this medication-free and very natural approach that doesn't involve all of the problems that the medication approach does.